effective immediately. ClubMX Yamaha and Mark Fineis, sorry, I butcher last names, it's going to be a thing, have mutually agreed to part ways. In a press release Thursday saying, quote, the Muck-Off FXR ClubMX team has announced the departure of Mark Fineis from the program effective immediately. Mark and the team have mutually agreed to part ways, and we wish him well in all of his future endeavors. Now, this comes after the announcement that the team made prior to the Indianapolis Supercross round that Fineis was returning home to sort through whatever is holding him back on race day, with the full announcement being, quote, Mark will not be lining up in Indianapolis. His last two races have not been remotely representative of what his capabilities are, and he has personally made the decision to return home to try and sort through whatever is holding him back on race day. We have seen glimpses of his skill, and we know there is more in the tank simply because we see it on his training days. We will continue to provide updates on the situation as we learn more. Fineis joined the ClubMX team prior to the Supercross Futures in 2024 and also raced for them in the AMA Pro Motocross Championship in the same year with a 10th overall best finish at Redbud before signing with the team full-time for the 2025 Super Motocross World Championship back in December. He's made one main event in the 25 or 250 SX East division, finishing 18th in Detroit. So you got to question, what's going on with him or what's going on in his head or something that he decides, I need to go home and figure some stuff out. Who knows if it's some mental problem, he's scared or who knows what, not, you never know with these guys. Like, you get one little blip in your confidence and you get scared of crashing and hurting yourself, and that could be it. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me whatever you think about Supercross. Who do you think is going to win the East or West titles or the 450 titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.